guys! Heading to the Dollar Tree to pick up everything I need to make another dump cake. It's been a rough week at work and I'm needing to drown my sorrows in some calories. What better place to do that than at the Dollar Tree? So I thought I'd take you guys with me this time and we'll see what the Dollar Tree has for us. Okay, so my goal no matter what is to only use whatever I can find at the Dollar Tree when I go in there. Just because I like a challenge. Okay, so I arrived at the Dollar Tree. I have no preconceived notions of what flavor or what I'm going to put in this dump cake. I am just going to work with whatever the Dollar Tree gods give me to work with. All right, let's do this. So here I go, heading into the Dollar Tree, grabbing myself a shopping cart and getting to work. All right, first things first, I know I need a cake pan because I'm not trying to do dishes. Next, we need a cake mix. As you can see, they had choices when it came to the cake mix as well. I even found this funfetti one, which is always my favorite flavor of cake, but I figured it would be harder to match other flavors too. And from there, it's just starting to scan the shelves and see what you want to add in. Man, this Dollar Tree really overwhelmed me with all the options as far as flavor profile choices went. Couldn't have been happier. What the hell is this? Now I'm making 2 dump cakes. Sorry, just taking over the store. All right, well, they had everything I needed at the Dollar Tree except for butter. So I'm running to the actual grocery store to grab some butter now. Problem solved. All right, cuties, we got our ingredients. Now let's take a dump. Part 1 of this dump cake adventure had me make a s'mores dump cake. This is what it looked like, and it was delicious. And now, my wonderful audience, I present you with part 2. Yellow cake mix. Sweetened condensed milk. 1 can of apple pie filling. Pecans per preference. Some Pecan Sandies. Butter. And a disposable cake pan. I got me some ice cream to go on the side of this as well, and I was feeling extra, so I got the vanilla bean. First things first, I spray my pan. Grab those sandies and make a single layer in the bottom of the pan. Open up that apple pie filling and pour it right on top of those cookies. I did go ahead and cut up some of the larger chunks. Add those pecans to taste. I could have added at least double this, but you know, I'm working with what I bought. Ask my cute little buddy here to borrow some cake mix. Sprinkle that cake mix as evenly as you can on top of this magical concoction. We're gonna grab that butter now. Slice it into as many pieces as you can and distribute it evenly on top of this masterpiece. For the sake of extra moisture for this cake as well as a caramelized top, we're going to grab this sweetened condensed milk and go ahead and drizzle some over the top. Just keep drizzling until your soul tells you, hey, 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 that's enough. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. All it needed was a scoop of vanilla ice cream added to the side, and I was in pure heaven. And you will be too. Thanks for watching another video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, cuties.